I want to show you now what to promote on Facebook, and you will see the big variety of products and services to promote on Facebook very easily. So first of all, you can promote digital products. This is very easy because the user just need to pay and is ready to download the products without waiting for the item to come. Just they need to download and they need to go to a website where they pay for a service or for a tool or for an item. And then once they pay, they see a page where they can download their item. This can be a PDF file, a report, can be one or a set of images, can be one or more videos or a video course, or a software tool to use on a desktop, or even some audios. Other products are software services, like for example, a webinar service. So people subscribe to a webinar and then service and they start to do webinars using that software, or even they can use any kind of software like a software as a service where people just log into a web page and start to use services like you can find all over the internet, like tools for WordPress or other software services like email marketing and so on. Or you can also promote hosted services. Like for example, if there are companies promoting space on servers, you can also become an affiliate or even have your own company and start to promote these services. Or even clouding systems, clouding services. Then of course you promote physical products, what you can find on eBay, on Amazon and other marketplaces. This can be merchandise of any kind, electronics and so on. So everything can be delivered using a delivery system, like couriers and so on. You can find this becoming an affiliate on Amazon, on eBay and other marketplaces, or even selling your own physical products on these places. Then you can promote video courses like Udemy video courses or other courses where they offer affiliate programs, or your own video courses all over the internet, or even video on YouTube and so on. You can also promote website subscriptions, like for example, websites where people log in and get information for their business, like content, or even they subscribe to some magazines. You get money also from this. Or you can have your own website subscription services, or you are an affiliate for. Then you can refer services. For example, you may be a freelancer or promoting freelancers like graphic designers, programmers, and so on. You can use the services and promote on the internet. The same can be done, for example, for services like American Express or other credit cards or bank, where you can refer to new users with your ID and people just purchase an American Express and you get paid as well. So you can promote services, you can refer services. And then you can promote an offline service. Like for example, you can promote a seminar. So people will join and watch a seminar and then you can promote a product. So you can promote an offline service, or even another kind of event where you're going to introduce other tools or other services where people come and pay. You can become an affiliate of these services, or you can promote your own services using offline events, or let's say live events.